on page 15, I would do the same thing. Just type that into Desmos. And guys, if you want to put the F parenthesis X parenthesis, you can. I never do. But if that makes you feel good about yourself, you can do that. All right. So those are the 2 points that you would definitely want to make sure you plot. So -2, 0. And guys, I can almost promise you there will be a question on the SOL like this. What they'll have you do is they'll have you create 3 points. The 2 points I almost always have you do, unless it's a decimal, is the x-axis, the x-intercept. And it's also good to do the y-intercept if you have the points. So 0, -8. But the ones that specifically ask for is the vertex, x-intercepts, and the y-intercept. Like I said, the vertex is now not on this SOL. But you can still, we'll still go ahead and plot it because it's not a hard concept. And that's 1, -9. So once you do that, if this was the SOL, at this point, it would already draw the parabola for you. Since the paper is not like a computer and it won't do it for you, you just got to do that. So it should look something like that. Now mine, obviously, it shouldn't curve like that, but I'm not going to fault you. All right. Okay, then solve. Once again, solutions, solving, anything like that, you're just looking for the x-intercepts. Oh, that was the same exact one we did. So x squared minus 2x minus 8. We know our solutions is going to be -2 and 4. That's all you had to do. So anytime it's asking for you to solve, you're just looking for the x-intercept. You're looking to see where it crosses the x-axis. Questions? Okay. Then 16. 16 was a pretty easy one with Desmos because you literally just type them in exactly 1, 0. So exactly 1, 0, that means what? 1 point that goes across the x-axis. Good. So I'll type in the first one, x squared plus 3x. That's 10. Okay, how many times does that hit the x-axis? Twice. So you know it's not that one. So now we'll try the next one. X squared minus 5x. Minus 20. Okay, how many times does that hit the x-axis? Twice. So you know it's not that one. Okay, then we'll try the third one. 5, and this one looks promising. Okay, how many, and another way you could tell with this, if this was on your SOL, zoom out so you can just make sure. At that point, you know how many times does it hit the x-axis? Once. So you know that one works. And you can always press the home button to take you back there. So that one works. Then we'll try this one. That one I would type in the f of x because I'm not sure what will pop up if you just put 3. Okay, how many times does that hit the x-axis? None. So you know it's definitely not that one. So now we'll try the last one. All right, how many times does that hit the x-axis? Once, and exactly once. So you can even zoom in just to make sure it doesn't go below it. It never goes below it. So it only hits it one time. So you know those two work. By far the easiest way to do those last 4 pages is with Desmos. If you're not using Desmos, you're really making your job a lot harder. Does anybody want to see how to do those by hand? No? Okay.